start using Clubhouse, in this video, I'm gonna show you ways of getting invited into Clubhouse. Hi, I'm Karma. I help entrepreneurs scale their business 10x with proven online marketing systems and strategies. Today, we'll talk about how the Clubhouse Invite works. You've heard the Clubhouse app recently. It's the new social media app that is audio only. Clubhouse have been making a lot of noise recently because it is a great tool to network for entrepreneurs. Clubhouse is in its beta phase and only available to iPhone users as of now. There are two ways to get into Clubhouse. Number one, invite. A new user will not have any invites. Invites will be accrued by the users talking in the rooms or moderating the rooms. Clubhouse only allows you to invite the contacts that are already saved on each other's iPhone contacts. Clubhouse only allows people who are saved on each other's iPhone as contacts to invite each other. So it's very important that before you ask for an invite from anyone, make sure that you both are saved on each other's contacts. Here are the steps. Make sure to save each other's number on each other's iPhone. Once this is done, the person who's inviting will click on the envelope icon at the top of the page. And once they find your name in the list, they're going to click on the invite button next to your name. This will generate a link, and they will share this link with you through a text message or one of your social media messenger apps. You will click on the invite, download the app, create a username, and you're in. Number two is to get invited through the side door. So what is side door? I recommend you to download this app even before you get an invite. Reserve your username. If there are multiple users of Clubhouse that are saved in your contacts already, one of them will get a notification that you already created an account and you're waiting for an invite to be allowed into Clubhouse. Once they get this notification, they can allow you into Clubhouse and they will not even lose an invite. Either way, be careful of who's inviting you or who's letting you in. Remember, whoever lets you into Clubhouse or whoever invites you into Clubhouse will stay in your profile forever. I also recommend you to optimize your profile before you start joining into any room, because your profile is the only piece of information that people will see about you in Clubhouse. I post weekly videos about business, marketing, and entrepreneurship. If you want to learn more about systems and strategies that will help you scale your business, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get all the notifications for my latest videos. Let me know in the comments, what do you want to know more about Clubhouse next? I'll see you later.